Manual proxy setup in Chrome breaks your workflow every single time your IP changes. There's a faster way. One wrong entry and nothing works. Most users are navigating through layers of system or browser settings just to paste in a single IP address. That's not a workflow, that's friction. The MarsProxies Chrome extension removes that entirely. It operates at the browser level. That means your other apps stay unaffected. Only your Chrome traffic gets rerouted. Fast to set up, easy to control. No system-wide changes required. But here's the thing, browser level does not mean incomplete. For scraping, automation, and geo-targeted browsing, it's exactly what you need. Install the MarsProxies extension directly from the Chrome Web Store. Takes under a minute. Once it's pinned to your toolbar, you're ready to build your first proxy profile. There's no need to stop there. You can have all of them ready. One click to switch. Open your MarsProxies dashboard. Select your proxy type. Residential proxies, ISP proxies, Datacenter proxies, mobile proxies. Your credentials are already there. Customize your proxy as needed. With residential proxies, you can set the location, rotation, and protocol. Need session persistence? Set your sticky session duration. Once you're done, copy your proxy credentials. That's everything the extension needs. No IP whitelisting required. Username and password authentication handles it all. This is exactly where most proxy setups fail people. But with MarsProxies, it's one copy and paste. Back in the extension, click the Add New Proxy button. Give your proxy a name, paste your credentials in any field, and the extension will fill them for you. Click the Save button, and you're good to go. Activate your profile by clicking the extension icon and the Connect button next to it. Your browser's now routing through your chosen proxy. Don't skip the next step. Run an IP check. Search "What is my IP" in Chrome. Confirm the location matches what you set. If it does, you're live. And there's one more thing most people never test: switching. Create a second profile with a different proxy type or location. Toggle between them. No re-entering credentials, no system restarts, no broken sessions. Your residential proxy traffic doesn't expire either. Switching configurations to test doesn't cost you unused data. Non-expiring traffic means nothing goes to waste. Head to MarsProxies and find the right proxy setup for you.